world of classic American trucks is filled with legendary machines, but few capture the imagination of enthusiasts quite like a heavily customized 1960s pickup. Among these icons stands the striking 1966 Chevrolet C10 Pro Street Custom, a truck that perfectly blends vintage character with modern muscle. Built from the timeless platform of Chevrolet's famous C10 series, this particular example has been transformed into a bold and aggressive pro street machine that is as much a performance vehicle as it is a rolling work of art. The Chevrolet C10 has long been considered one of the most recognizable pickup trucks ever produced in the United States. Introduced as part of Chevrolet's C/K truck lineup in the early 1960s, the C10 quickly earned a reputation for its durability, clean styling, and versatility. These trucks were designed primarily as hardworking utility vehicles, but over time they became beloved classics in the automotive community. Today, many collectors and builders seek out these trucks as perfect foundations for custom builds, restorations, and high-performance projects. This 1966 Chevrolet C10 represents exactly that transformation. Instead of remaining a simple vintage pickup, it has been rebuilt into a powerful pro street truck designed to turn heads wherever it goes. The pro street style, which became popular in the late 1970s and 1980s, typically involves aggressive performance upgrades, widened rear wheel tubs, powerful engines, and a stance that looks ready to dominate the street or the show floor. This particular truck embraces that philosophy completely, combining classic truck design with serious muscle car attitude. At the heart of this custom pickup is a built 355 cubic inch V8 engine, a small block powerhouse that delivers impressive performance and unmistakable American V8 sound. The engine has been upgraded with several performance components, including aluminum cylinder heads, a high-performance camshaft, and a polished Edelbrock intake manifold. These components help maximize airflow and combustion efficiency, resulting in strong power output and thrilling acceleration. To further enhance performance, the engine is equipped with a Phytech electronic fuel injection system, providing modern fuel delivery and improved reliability compared to traditional carburetors. This potent engine is paired with a built TH400 automatic transmission, a transmission well known among performance enthusiasts for its durability and ability to handle significant horsepower. The drivetrain setup allows the truck to deliver smooth yet powerful performance, making it suitable for both street cruising and spirited driving. Power is sent to the rear wheels through a 12-bolt rear axle with a 3.54 positraction gear ratio, providing strong traction and efficient power delivery. Performance upgrades extend beyond the engine and transmission. This truck is equipped with four-wheel power disc brakes, ensuring strong and reliable stopping power. Power steering further improves drivability, allowing the truck to be controlled easily despite its aggressive performance characteristics. Together, these features help transform the vehicle from a simple classic pickup into a high-performance street machine capable of delivering a thrilling driving experience. One of the most visually striking aspects of this truck is its exterior design. Finished in a bold blue color, the truck instantly stands out with its sleek appearance and custom body modifications. The body has been carefully modified to achieve the aggressive pro street look. One of the most significant modifications is the tubbed rear section, allowing the truck to accommodate much wider rear tires. This modification not only enhances traction but also contributes to the unmistakable pro street stance that enthusiasts love. Additional exterior modifications include shaved doors equipped with electric poppers, eliminating traditional door handles and giving the truck a smoother and cleaner appearance. The roof has also been chopped by approximately 4 inches, lowering the overall profile and creating a more aggressive silhouette. These modifications dramatically change the truck's visual character while maintaining the recognizable shape of the original C10 design. The engine bay has also received careful attention during the build. Rather than simply installing performance components, the engine compartment has been fabricated and detailed to match the truck's overall custom aesthetic. The result is a clean and visually appealing engine bay that showcases the powerful V8 engine while highlighting the craftsmanship involved in the build. The truck's stance is further enhanced by its centerline wheels, which complement the pro street styling perfectly. These wheels, combined with the widened rear wheel tubs, give the truck a muscular and purposeful appearance that immediately communicates its performance capabilities. Beyond performance and styling, the truck also incorporates several modern comfort features. Vintage air climate control has been installed, providing heating, air conditioning, and defrost capabilities. This system allows the truck to remain comfortable in a variety of weather conditions, making it far more practical than many traditional classic vehicles. Inside the cab, the truck features a custom interior design to match the exterior color scheme. The interior combines classic design elements with modern upgrades, creating a comfortable and stylish driving environment. Dolphin gauges provide clear and accurate instrumentation, allowing the driver to monitor engine performance and vehicle conditions. The truck also features a locker floor shifter, a popular choice among custom builders for its precision and classic performance aesthetic. Another notable interior feature is the tilt and telescoping steering column, which allows the driver to adjust the steering wheel position for improved comfort and control. This addition demonstrates the builder's attention to detail, ensuring that the truck is not only visually impressive but also comfortable to drive. The truck also includes power windows, a feature rarely found in original vehicles from this era. This upgrade adds modern convenience while maintaining the classic charm of the vehicle. The combination of modern technology and vintage design is a defining characteristic of many high-quality Restomod builds. Cooling is handled by an aluminum radiator equipped with electric fans, helping ensure that the powerful V8 engine remains at optimal operating temperatures even during demanding driving conditions. Long tube headers and a 3-inch stainless steel dual exhaust system provide improved engine breathing and produce the deep, aggressive exhaust note that performance enthusiasts love. The fuel tank has also been relocated to the rear of the truck, another modification commonly seen in Pro Street builds. This relocation helps improve weight distribution and frees up space for other modifications within the chassis. Combined with the tubbed rear end and performance drivetrain components, these changes reflect the level of engineering and planning that went into the truck's build. Despite its extensive modifications, the truck remains practical enough to be driven regularly. It is described as a turnkey vehicle, meaning it is ready to drive without requiring additional work or restoration. This is an important factor for collectors and enthusiasts who want to enjoy their classic vehicles on the road rather than keeping them purely as display pieces. The condition of the truck is described as restored, indicating that it has undergone significant refurbishment and customization to achieve its current appearance and performance. The exterior, interior, and mechanical components have all been carefully prepared to ensure the truck presents well, both visually and mechanically. With approximately 19,996 kilometers recorded on the odometer, the truck appears to have relatively low mileage since its build or restoration. While mileage on classic vehicles can sometimes be difficult to verify, the figure suggests that the truck has been driven sparingly and maintained carefully. The truck is offered for sale by a dealership known for specializing in classic and collector vehicles. Such dealerships often provide additional services including financing assistance, worldwide shipping, and vehicle inspections, making it easier for buyers around the world to purchase rare and unique classic vehicles. For many enthusiasts, the appeal of a truck like this goes far beyond simple transportation. Vehicles like the 1966 Chevrolet C10 Pro Street Custom represent a blend of automotive history, craftsmanship, and personal expression. Every modification tells part of the story of the builder's vision and the culture surrounding classic American performance vehicles. Classic trucks have become increasingly popular in recent years, especially among collectors who appreciate their combination of practicality and vintage charm. Unlike many classic cars that were designed purely for performance or luxury, trucks like the C10 were originally built as hardworking tools. Their transformation into high-performance custom vehicles highlights the creativity and passion of the automotive community. In many ways, builds like this represent the evolution of the hot rod tradition. Early hot rodders modified their vehicles to improve performance and express individuality. The Pro Street movement continued that tradition by creating street-legal vehicles with race-inspired performance and dramatic styling. This 1966 C10 embodies that spirit perfectly. Whether displayed at car shows, driven to weekend cruises, or simply admired in a private collection, a truck like this stands as a testament to the enduring appeal of classic American automotive design. Its combination of vintage style, modern technology, and raw performance makes it a unique and exciting vehicle that continues to capture the imagination of enthusiasts around the world. Ultimately, the 1966 Chevrolet C10 Pro Street Custom is more than just a modified pickup truck. It is a symbol of creativity, engineering skill, and the enduring love for classic American vehicles. From its powerful V8 engine and aggressive Pro Street stance to its carefully crafted interior and custom details, every aspect of the truck reflects the passion that drives the world of classic car culture. The 1966 Chevrolet C10 Pro Street Custom is more than just a modified pickup truck. It represents a bold expression of classic American automotive culture, where vintage design meets modern performance and craftsmanship. With its powerful V8 engine, aggressive Pro Street stance, and carefully crafted custom interior, this truck stands as a remarkable example of how a classic workhorse can be transformed into a true street machine. For collectors and enthusiasts searching for something unique that combines classic style with serious performance, this build offers an exciting opportunity to own a standout piece of automotive creativity. The vehicle is currently offered for sale with an asking price of $44,000, and it is located at 24 South Olive Street, Waconia, Minnesota, United States.